Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It is Halloween, and to celebrate it, I'm going to be solving the 15 by 15 5 times in a row. No, wait, where am I? Okay guys, I don't know what happened or where I ended up, but it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna solve the 15 by 15. So, I need to inspect it. And 3, 2, 1, go. First blue bar made. I got a parody right there. Need to fix that. Okay, just fix parody on to 3x3 stage. Yellow. It looks like an R perm. And done. I have no idea what time that was, but it looks like it got dark during the solve, which is great for what I'm about to do again. Now, it's time for me to just scramble it again and do another solve. Alright guys, I got the cube scrambled again, and it got a lot darker during my last solve, and now it's completely dark. So, I'm going to start over and do the next solve in 3, 2, 1... Okay, that was a pretty good solve. I actually got a peel out skip, which was nice. And no idea what time that was. And what time is it? Oh my goodness, it's getting late, so I guess I need to scramble this thing and do another solve on it. So here I go. Okay, I scrambled the cube again. It is really late now. I don't even know if I'd call this late, but I'm going to give it another solve. And, well, I need to inspect it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. That's like the easiest parody I've gotten on YouTube. I mean, during the series of 5 solves, or 4 solves or something. Guess I have to scramble this up maybe 1 or 2 more times and give it another solve. Okay. Next solve. Looks like I got another parody. It's amazing that the last time I got a parody skip. Looks like I'm almost done with this 15 by 15 solve. The sun came up. It's daytime now. So, I'm gonna finish this up. This is my last 15 by 15 solve in this video, but definitely not my last 15 by 15 solve, because I'm gonna do a whole lot more. So, I need to fix this parody, and then solve the 15 by 15. Okay, that parody is done on the 3 by 3 stage. The sun came up and revealed where I am, and I appear to just be in my own backyard, so that's okay. Alright, on to OLL. Looks like I got a pretty easy OLL. DLL is a T-firm. Only about 14 moves, so that's not too bad. And done! Okay, that was a lot of 15 by 15 solves. I've never solved a 15 by 15 that much at once before. Like, 2 solves in a row is a lot. So, I have no idea what those times were, but I don't know if I ever even got a PB or not that time, but I guess I'll have to find out later. So, yeah, thanks for watching my video, and hope you enjoyed. Have a happy Halloween, and I will see you in the next one.